What a beautiful day to begin with. Thank you so much for being with us. And today I'm going to review one of the best American movie because of the family and all this drama that I have watched here. Hillbilly Elegy. Elegy or what is that? I don't know. Elegy? Elegy. So it was a book by J.D. Vance, and then the rights were taken by Netflix, and then they make the movie, and now it is very good. Especially you will really like the characters. The story starts with J.D. Vance and a law student, and how he went through different challenges in his family life, and at certain situation he was unable to bear it, but he has to take the responsibility. So he belongs to a family, and those who grew up from a very poor community, and then they made up their own way of living. That's how they are being considered. I don't want to go in deep into things that they have told, because the guy he met at that time, he used some certain words that are not good and not appropriate to talk here also, and you will see what they talk there. No matter, it was his chance, and then he lost the chance. So now JD is already in a relationship with Usha, an Indian migrant. So that's how the people from a different community, if they have the same similar pain or the miseries that they go through, they will come together. That happened with them, and they are still with their children right now, and that's at the end notes you will see what happened. JD has a mother, Babe, and she has and he has a grandmother and grandpa. They are always taking care of each other, and there is Lindsay, his sister. So he went to US Marine, or he served there also, came back, went to the law school also, and now he's going further with his life. And then all these miseries, he keep reminding them what he gone through and what he has bear to be here. So his mother is unstable emotionally, and then they have to look after this. Sometimes Lindsay has to take care of it, and sometimes he has to skip his interview to just rush back to home and just skip everything and then just look after the mom. But during the childhood, he was having a very rough time, but no matter his mother was always a little bit violent to him, but he always listened to family and always being nice to mother. At certain ages, at certain time, it happened that she was really going to police station or cops, but he just saved her. And after the sudden demise of their grandfather, the grandmother was there, and she said, now it's time that we really need to think that your mother, Babe, she has to take the responsibilities of her actions, and now JD has to go through a good education so that there will be no tough life for this guy. And why she took a stand, she said, it's never late to teach your children the art of responsibilities, because once, if I will be gone from this world, it is you who has to take the responsibility. And he lives with her and saw her way of living, her sacrifices. Then she bought a calculator for her, and you will really enjoy why she bought calculator, and that is also a story. One calculator changed his entire life, and this is very beautiful. Then after that, he gone through everything and become very mature. But during the hardest and the harsh time of his life, his sister was always around him, and he was always around her sister, and both of them were taking care of mother. Unfortunately, she didn't have the insurance, and having no insurance in America, so much problem and chaos. But he did his level best to try to help her mother. And overall, you will watch the movie and you will really enjoy it. This is just a mere synopsis that I have given it. It is not just think like a non-spoiler, because it's not even a spoiler, and you will see that how he went through from just a tiny boy to a mature, responsible person. I hope you really enjoy it, and please watch it. Kindly like, share, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more notifications. Thank you so much. Bye bye.